Castor oil mistakes that shocked even doctors. Last month, my 35-year-old sister called me frustrated and defeated. She'd been using castor oil for months with zero results, ready to give up completely. When I discovered what she was doing wrong, even her dermatologist was surprised by the transformation that followed. The mistake she was making is so common that 90% of people over 30 failed to see castor oil's true benefits. What I'm about to share could change everything you think you know about this ancient remedy. My sister's story began like many others. Dry skin, thinning hair, and digestive issues led her to research natural solutions. Castor oil appeared everywhere in her searches, with countless testimonials praising its miraculous effects. Excited, she bought the first bottle she found and started applying it daily. Weeks passed with disappointing results. Her skin remained dry, hair showed no improvement, and digestive issues persisted. Frustrated, she was ready to dismiss castor oil as internet hype. That's when she called me, and I discovered her critical error. The secret lies in understanding castor oil's unique molecular structure. This thick, viscous oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid found nowhere else in nature. Research published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science shows that ricinoleic acid penetrates skin differently than other oils, but only under specific conditions. Here's what shocked me. Temperature dramatically affects castor oil's absorption and effectiveness. Cold castor oil barely penetrates the skin's surface, while properly warmed oil absorbs 400% better, according to dermatological studies. My sister was applying cold oil straight from the bottle. The warming technique is surprisingly simple but rarely mentioned. Placing the bottle in warm water for 3 to 5 minutes activates the oil's molecular structure. The oil should feel comfortably warm, never hot. This simple step transforms castor oil from a surface coating into a deep penetrating treatment. Timing became the second crucial discovery. Most people apply castor oil randomly throughout the day, but research from the Journal of Clinical Medicine shows optimal absorption occurs when skin temperature is elevated. The best time is after a warm shower, when pores are open and skin is receptive. Application method revealed another common mistake. Rushing the process limits effectiveness significantly. Castor oil requires slow circular massage to penetrate properly. Spend at least 2 to 3 minutes massaging each area, allowing the oil to absorb gradually rather than sitting on the surface. Quality differences between castor oil brands shocked me most. Many commercial varieties are processed with heat and chemicals that destroy beneficial compounds. Cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil retains ricinoleic acid integrity essential for therapeutic effects. The price difference is minimal, but the results are dramatically different. Storage mistakes sabotage castor oil's potency over time. Exposure to light and air degrades ricinoleic acid quickly. Dark glass bottles stored in cool, dry places maintain potency longest. Clear plastic bottles exposed to sunlight lose effectiveness within months. Dosage errors compound poor results. More isn't always better with castor oil. Excessive amounts can clog pores and prevent absorption. A few drops properly applied work better than large quantities slathered on carelessly. Patch testing becomes critical after age 30 when skin sensitivity increases. Applying castor oil to a small area first prevents adverse reactions. Wait 24 hours before full application to ensure compatibility with your skin type. Individual skin changes after 30 affect castor oil absorption significantly. Decreased collagen production and slower cell turnover require adjusted application techniques. Older skin needs longer massage times and slightly more frequent applications for optimal results. Certain medications common after 30 can interact with topical treatments. Blood thinners, diabetes medications, and hormone therapies may affect skin response to castor oil. Always consult healthcare providers before starting new topical regimens. People with sensitive skin conditions should exercise extra caution. Eczema, psoriasis, or dermatitis may worsen with incorrect castor oil use. Starting with highly diluted applications helps identify individual tolerance levels. Pregnancy and breastfeeding require special considerations with castor oil use. While topical application is generally safe, internal use should be avoided completely during these periods. Always consult healthcare providers before using castor oil therapeutically, especially with existing medical conditions or medications. Tracking results helps optimize your castor oil routine. Taking photos before starting creates objective progress records. Noting application methods and timing reveals what works best for your skin type.